Weight loss diet. 5 vegetable juices that may help burn belly fat. The most common cause of belly fat is poor nutrition. The fat around the tummy is the easiest to accumulate and, unfortunately, the most difficult to lose. Diet, inactivity, environmental factors, genetics and other factors all contribute to its occurrence. However, the most common cause of belly fat is poor nutrition. While it's easy to attribute weight gain to one particular food category or nutrient such as sugar or carbohydrates, the truth is that the real culprit is the total number of calories consumed throughout the week. To lose weight, you must combine a healthy diet with regular exercise. It requires a disciplined regimen that includes diet but, more importantly, a targeted exercise program. There are no shortcuts, but it has been discovered that some common drinks may help with belly fat loss. Considering this, here we bring you 5 vegetable juices that may help in burning belly fat. Take a look. Weight loss diet. 5 vegetable juices that may help in burning belly fat. 1. Carrot juice. The winter season is synonymous with carrots and carrot cake. Did you know that the vegetable that is used to prepare your favorite winter treats may also help you lose weight? Carrots are brimming with nutrients and antioxidants that may help fill the daily nutrition requirement. This low-calorie root vegetable is high in fiber and aids digestion, all of which contribute to weight loss. Besides weight loss, it has several other benefits. 2. Cabbage juice. Many stomach issues, including bloating and indigestion, may be relieved by drinking cabbage juice. It also helps to clear your digestive tract and stimulates waste removal. This may promote weight loss. During digestion, high-fiber vegetables absorb water in our bodies and form a gel-like mass. This makes you feel fuller for longer and prevents you from binging on other foods. 3. Beetroot juice. You should make the most of this earthy vegetable this winter because it is a nutritional powerhouse. The vibrant red vegetable is incredibly low in calories and rich in essential antioxidants, minerals and fiber that may help lose weight. Other vegetables and fruits such as carrots and apples can also be blended into your juice. 4. Spinach juice. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is high in nutrients. The winter season has arrived, so take advantage of it by bringing spinach to use and drinking it in juice form. 5. Bitter gourd juice. Bitter gourd juice is commonly used to aid weight loss. It is high in fiber, meaning it keeps you fuller for longer. Moreover, it is low in calories so you can add it to your daily diet without any guilt. Now that you know all of these vegetable juices for weight loss, try to incorporate them into your diet and let us know your experience in the comments below.